What's going on, people? It's Hajimoto, and we are about to do the August 2023 Airgun Nation Shooting Challenge. This month, we're using a target by Thomas Hood that he calls Test Your Limits. It's a series of 5 on each row, total of 20. They get from bigger to smaller, and you go across, back down, 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 down until you get them all covered. So what we're going to do is at 50 yards, here's the view through my rangefinder. We're 50 yards down. We're going to be shooting the Air Venturi Avenger bullpup that I have modified. This is my TAC Avenger, which is the bottle version of that. We're going to be shooting the JTS dead centers out of this old boy. These things are amazing, by the way, if you don't already know that. We're going to be capturing this through the scope cam, which is the Orion cam, using a Firefly. I've got this camera here looking from this side. I've got this one behind me looking downrange, and also down there on the target, I've got another one. So that you don't have to sit through every one of these targets, because it's going to take a while. I'm going to be speeding it up, but I'm not going to stop the footage, so it'll be constant. Also, just as a coverall for any of these shooting challenges that I do, just putting it out there. I'm not doing it to compete, to win. I'm doing it for fun, to join you guys and have fun shooting some targets. And thank you very much, Michael Wynn and Airgun Nation, for doing that, because I think it makes it really cool for everybody to jump in. So I'm going to fire this stuff up. I'm going to get 2 sighters, make sure the reg is settled in, and then we're going to start going on the target. So let's get it going. My expanded magazine gives me 17 shots, but I'm going to need 3 more, so I've got this guy loaded up just for that reason. So we'll get the scope cam going. And again, I'm just going to take 2 sighters, and then we're going to go ahead and get it going. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, guys, that's my 20 shots. That's my entry into the Airgun Nation's shooting challenge, which is the Test Your Limits target. And we went through it, got them in there. Look forward to seeing your guys' entries. This stuff is great fun.